Have you ever wondered why the baobab tree is often referred to as the upside-down tree? Picture a solitary giant standing tall in the heart of Africa, where the sun's heat is relentless and the winds whisper tales of bygone eras. This is the baobab, a marvel of nature's resilience, its branches reaching skyward like roots, earning it the peculiar moniker. But beyond its unique silhouette, the baobab holds mysteries as deep as its roots. Legends of hidden chambers and ancient artifacts surround this colossal entity, painting a picture of intrigue and fascination. Enter Lucas, a young archaeologist drawn to the allure of the baobab. He stumbles upon an old journal, hinting at a hidden secret within this tree. The journal mentions a series of symbols, possibly a map leading to a concealed chamber. Intrigued and excited, Lucas sets out on a journey to uncover the truth. And so, Lucas embarks on an extraordinary journey to unravel the secrets of the baobab tree. Inside a dusty library, Lucas stumbles upon an old journal that hints at a hidden chamber within the baobab tree. The worn pages tell tales of ancient civilizations, of rituals and legends, all centered around this majestic entity. But one passage in particular catches Lucas's eye. It speaks of a concealed room, a hidden heart within the giant tree, potentially harboring ancient artifacts. Lucas, a young archaeologist filled with curiosity, can't contain his excitement. He rushes to his mentor, Dr. Elena, a seasoned scholar known for her meticulous research and profound wisdom. He shares the journal's revelations with her, his words tumbling over each other in a rush of anticipation. Dr. Elena, intrigued but cautious, reminds Lucas of the importance of evidence in their field. She questions the credibility of the journal, raising an eyebrow at the notion of a hidden chamber within the baobab. But Lucas is not deterred. He points out a series of symbols mentioned in the journal, carved into the tree's trunk, which he believes could be a map leading to the concealed chamber. Intrigued, Dr. Elena agrees to an expedition. The possibility of discovering something groundbreaking about the baobab tree is too enticing to resist. They decide to follow the symbols to see if the journal's claims hold any truth. They'll need to prepare, to equip themselves for the journey, but they've faced challenges before. This is what they live for: the thrill of unearthing secrets, the joy of discovery, the chance to rewrite history. With a sense of anticipation, they set off towards the grand baobab tree. The journey won't be easy, but if the journal's revelations prove true, it will all be worth it. Little do they know, they're about to embark on an adventure that will forever change their understanding of the baobab, the upside-down tree. As the sun sets, Lucas and Eleanor arrive at the base of the majestic baobab tree. It looms before them, its gnarled branches reaching out like arms, welcoming them into its embrace. The trunk, wide and weathered, stands as a testament to the centuries it has witnessed, its bark etched with the tales of time. Their eyes are drawn to a series of symbols carved into the bark, an enigma etched in nature's skin. Lucas reaches out to trace the lines and curves of the markings. They seem to dance under his touch. Ancient and yet tangible. A language lost to the annals of time suddenly brought to life under their fingertips. The symbols are intricate, each one a piece of a larger puzzle, a story waiting to be told. Some are recognizable, others alien, but together they form a tapestry of cryptic whispers, beckoning the explorers to delve deeper into the mystery. Elena pulls out a sketchbook, her hand moving swiftly as she begins to replicate the symbols. As she works, Lucas cross-references with the journal, his brow furrowed in concentration. The symbols, it seems, are not random. They form a pattern, a sequence that suggests direction, a path to be followed. As the last rays of the setting sun give way to the cool embrace of the night, something catches Lucas's attention. A small, circular indentation, hidden amongst the symbols. It's a perfect circle, a stark contrast to the organic lines and patterns surrounding it. Could it be a door? An entrance to the hidden chamber mentioned in the journal? Eleanor joins him, her eyes widening with realization. They exchange a glance, the weight of their discovery hanging heavily in the silence. The tree, it seems, has more secrets to share. And they, the fortunate chosen, are about to uncover them. With a mix of excitement and apprehension, they prepare to venture inside the baobab tree. Inside the tree, they find themselves standing at the entrance of a vast underground chamber. A sense of awe fills the air as they step into a world untouched by time. The chamber, carved out from the heart of the baobab, seems to throb with the pulse of the ancient earth. As they move further in, their torches illuminate the walls, revealing a canvas of time. The walls are adorned with carvings, intricate patterns and symbols etched into the heartwood. These are not random markings, but the language of a bygone era, each line and curve a word in an ancient story waiting to be read. In the glow of their torches, a particular carving catches their eye. An intricately carved tablet, almost as tall as a man, stands embedded in the chamber wall. Upon the tablet is the unmistakable depiction of the baobab tree, its roots reaching for the sky, its branches digging deep into the earth. It's the upside-down tree, just as it stands in the world above. Surrounding the tree are figures, human-like but ethereal, engaged in what appears to be a ritual. They seem to be offering something to the tree, their hands extended in reverence. The image is powerful, the tree at the center, a beacon of life amidst the ritualistic gathering. Lucas and Elena, their minds racing with possibilities, begin to decipher the tableau. The figures, they surmise, could represent an ancient civilization that once thrived in these lands. The ritual, it seems, is a nod to the baobab's significance in their culture, but it's not just a tree to them, it's more. The baobab, with its towering presence and enduring life, could have been seen as a symbol of strength and resilience. Its ability to store vast amounts of water might have made it a symbol of sustenance and life in the harsh African savanna. Perhaps this is why it was central to their ritual, a tribute to the life-giving force that the baobab represented. But there's more. The ritual, they realize, could also be an attempt to harness the tree's energy, a plea for protection, for knowledge, for life. The baobab, then, was not just a tree to them, it was a deity, a guardian, a protector. As they stand there, their torches casting long shadows on the ancient stone, they can almost hear the whispers of the past, the chants of the ritual, the rustling of the baobab leaves, the stories shared under its massive canopy. It's a connection that transcends time, a bond between man and nature that has endured the ages. The baobab, it seems, was seen as more than just a tree. It was a protector of knowledge and life. And as they stand in the heart of the baobab, in the chamber that has held these secrets for centuries, they can't help but feel a part of this enduring legacy. They are, after all, the latest in a long line of seekers, drawn to the mystique of the upside-down tree, the magnificent baobab. As they delve deeper into the chamber, they discover a hidden compartment with an ancient manuscript. This parchment, yellowed with age and delicate to the touch, holds the promise of unlocking the mysteries of the baobab tree. Lucas, with a gentle hand and a heart pounding with anticipation, carefully unfolds the manuscript. His eyes scan the faded symbols and scripts, a language lost to time but not to the determined scholar. This document, a relic of a bygone era, seems to tell a story. It speaks of an ancient civilization that revered the baobab tree, not just for its physical grandeur, but for its spiritual significance. The baobab was more than a tree. It was a symbol of life, a beacon of hope in the harsh landscape, a silent guardian of knowledge. The script, intricate and full of symbolism, conveys a tale of how these people turned to the baobab in times of need. Its fruits nourished them, its shade provided respite from the scorching sun, and its hollow trunk served as a sanctuary in times of danger. But the manuscript reveals more than just practical uses. It tells of ceremonies performed under the tree, of wisdom shared, of decisions made, and of lives celebrated. The baobab's role transcends the physical realm. It was seen as a spiritual guide, a connection between the people and their ancestors. The tree, with its roots deep in the earth and branches reaching toward the heavens, was a bridge between the mortal world and the divine. As Lucas and Elena pore over the manuscript, they realize the profound impact of their discovery. They've unearthed more than just a hidden chamber. They've uncovered a testament to the enduring bond between humans and nature, a chronicle of an ancient civilization's respect for the baobab tree, and a narrative of survival, resilience, and reverence. The baobab tree, once a mere curiosity, has revealed itself to be a keeper of ancient secrets, a symbol of life, and a protector of knowledge.